All right, folks, we got an incoming Union Pacific freight train in Vegas.
A Union Pacific freight train?
There's it right there.
Where?
Oh, whoa, dude.
Where?
A Norfolk Southern unit.
Wow.
The second one.
Those are rare, huh?
A Norfolk Southern unit. What the?
What is it doing here?
The black one is called Norfolk Southern. It's from the East Coast.
Oh my God! What is it doing here?
This part looks like a long now.
Yeah.
That's crazy, bro.
Norfolk Southern's from the East Coast, like Carolina, Philadelphia, New York, and all that. This is nice. And that's the 70 Mac. Oh, that's a 70M. Wow, look at this. It's a mixed spray, as you can see there. It's right by the Rio Hotel, as you can see.
That's nice.
Wow. I caught a Norfolk Southern unit in Vegas.
What the heck?
Wow.
What the heck?
What?
There it is right there. Look, wait, coming up ahead.
Bro, where's the...
Wow, just wow. Oh, it's a mixed spray. Oh, it is.
You just can't.
No, I think
There's the
Dad tried it
I-15 freeway.
You just
South
threw
to
it away.
LA, north to Salt Lake City, Utah.
No. This one. Bro, you undid stop that thing? That shoe?
Bro, look at that. Look at
Couple tankers. Yeah.
I don't know if he's in middle. So where's the 10 and a half? These are 10.
Make a loose this shit.
Maybe it's going to the. I think it's on its way to Long Beach or to the Long Beach yard. Yeah. And,
Hey, motherfucker. No.
Bro, I feel like when you.
Now you gotta change. Now you have to restart your video because I said that. Or are you just gonna edit it out?
This feels like.
Alright, I'll meet you later, Dan. We'll see you later.
Yeah, I'm over this.
Live in Vegas, folks. Thank you all for watching. And I'm out. Till next time. See ya.